that we all have it on our profiles, but I'll still go ahead with messages because I want maximum people to send me the messages. I want results. I don't want likes. So after anyone clicks on message, they'll get these options. Can I learn about your business? Can you tell me about your ad? Is anyone available? And here you could see these options. You can definitely modify them. So the greeting would be like hi, and then this is the first person's name. Please let us know how we can help you. So this is over here we are asking them how we can help them. And on top of that, we've added some questions that we could add or remove. So I'll add a simple one. I want to advertise my business. Or how about I need help advertising my business. This sounds even better. If there, okay, can you give me a quote for your service? You can see that these questions are automatically changing as I'm typing them. So these are some questions. You're triggering people to ask you these questions. It's a really good way to get people engaged. If there's something in your mind and the other person speaks about it, so automatically you give them the answer with an affirmative. So first one is I need help with my advertising business. Can you help me give a quote for your service? Hi. Can we schedule a meeting to learn more about my business? Perfect. So this is making it even more friendlier. So the person is saying, hi, can we schedule a meeting to learn about my business? So it's simple. This is the more important thing. I'm pretty much sure anyone who reads this would go for this, because before before giving any quotation or before getting into conversation, it's really important to get the person comfortable. So I think this is the question that would break the ice and get our conversation started. Okay, so we are done with the messages. Now let's hide them. Okay, now that we are done with setting up the objective and the welcome message, let's go towards audience